What if becoming a fashion designer didn't feel overwhelming? What if, instead of wondering where to start, you had a clear path? That's exactly why I created this. Become a Fashion Designer is a personalized experience designed to guide you step by step through the creative process. From inspiration and sketching and mood boards and silhouettes, design development, fabrics, and your very first collection. Every day, you will receive focused lessons, creative exercises, projects, and guidance, all adapted to your specific goals, your level, and your pace. It's structured, it's personalized, and it's designed to help you actually start creating and designing. It's launching June 23rd. Stay tuned, stay close.